Hey there, I'm Mitch, and today we're going to be replacing the batteries on our GoGo Elite standard capacity battery box. Tools that you'll need for this job are going to be a Phillips head screwdriver with a long neck, or possibly even a drill with a long Phillips head bit attached, some needle nose pliers, and if you have it, a multimeter, which you can get at most auto parts stores. You'll also definitely need your replacement batteries, which can be 12 or 15 amp hours. To begin, we'll be removing the 8 Phillips head screws from the outside of the box from underneath. Making sure that it is the 8 outside screws and not the 2 inside ones. Now that we've got our 8 screws out, go ahead and take that lid off. We can start disconnecting our battery. I'll be referencing this as my right side. This will be my left side. We'll start with our black outside negative wire. As you can see, these pliers do come in handy. Then we'll do the left side positive outside wire. Then the inside positive right-hand side wire. And I am just pushing down on this white part to compress it to let it go. And then we'll finish off with the black inside wire. Just like that, your batteries are disconnected. You can go ahead and take them out. And we'll put our new batteries back in. Just like that, making sure our terminals are towards the back, with the prongs facing towards the front. We'll start hooking it up with the right outside black wire, then the left outside red, then the right inside red wire, and finishing off with the black inside wire. Just like that, should be good to go. Put your lid back on, and we'll reassemble it. And before we take our last steps here, we're going to be making sure we've wired everything up correctly. We're using our handy dandy multimeter, working in direct current or DC. We'll be working with the charging port here. The black prong will go in the bottom port and our red prong will go in our top port. We're going to be looking for at least 24 volts. Just like that, we know we're hooked up. Now we'll start putting our battery box back together with our 8 Phillips head screws. And now you know how to replace the batteries in your standard capacity GoGo Elite Traveler battery box. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.